Hi everybody, I'm Nahshon, and welcome to my channel. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Um, let's draw some doodle aliens. Taught you how to draw doodle monsters. Last week. There's nothing on that wall. I know I'm pointing to it, but yeah, let's draw some doodle aliens. I love aliens. Just in case you didn't know. I love aliens. I'll show you my drawings at the end of the video because I have a lot of aliens that I've drawn. And I love aliens. So I'm going to keep saying it throughout this entire video. So, yeah. To start off drawing your doodle aliens, the same materials as before. Let's recap. Okay. Pencil, paper, and your imagination and your creativity. Because, well, that's the whole beauty of these drawing sessions. There's no rhyme or reason or thing that's set in stone as to how doodle monsters are drawn or doodle aliens are drawn, really. Nobody really knows what a doodle alien is, so the fun part is you get to decide what a doodle alien or a doodle monster really looks like. That's why I love art. God, I can't wait to show you all the doodle aliens that I drew, bro. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be dope. Side note, look at my Ghostbuster t-shirt. It has nothing to do with aliens, but I just love this movie. Okay, just like before with the doodle monsters, you're gonna need some shapes. So here's the basic shapes you can use. They don't have to be these 4 shapes, but this is a good starting point. They don't have to be these specific ones. You can actually do any types of shapes you want. You can do blotches. You can do slime shaped shapes. You could even invent your own shape. Next, let's move on to the eyes. Okay, so when you're talking alien eyes, these are some examples of some alien eyes. The eyes on an alien actually can be any type of shape you really want them to be. This is just a basic outline. You can do these types of eyes, or these types of eyes, or these types of eyes, or even these types of eyes. You can do dots, you can do triangles, you can do squares. Basically, the whole point of the eyes really is just to use your imagination and use creativity. Oh, and have fun too, because drawing aliens is really, really fun. Oh my God, drawing aliens is fun. As for the mouth of your alien, here are some examples. You can go with sharp teeth. You can go with a sucker type of mouth. You can go with this kind of mouth right here, or you can go with this kind of mouth right here. The point I'm trying to drive home here is this is just a guideline. And now for the arms, because, well, what's an alien without arms? Actually, yes, arms, but technically aliens don't even have to have arms. That's That's how badass aliens are. They don't even need arms. As far as arms go, you can pretty much do anything you want. You can have tentacles, you can have claws, you can have 2 arms, you can have 4, you can have 5, you can have 6, or you can have no arms at all. It's really all the way up to you. All the way up to you. When it comes to alien legs, here are some examples. You can have 3, 2, 1, or no legs at all. You can have 4, you can have 6, you can have 5. Again, experimentation is the word of the day. I love the word experimentation. There you go. Examples of legs. Couple pieces of advice. Have fun. Tag me in what you draw. And a quick disclaimer. For a large chunk of years before I started uploading to this channel, I drew a lot. Like, there was a point where I drew non-stop for the past month. The aliens I'm about to show you, there are a lot of aliens. Keep that in mind. Also keep in mind, I love aliens. Here's my collection of alien drawings. Here's my collection of alien drawings. And this is just the beginning, really. These aliens that I drew for you. And these are the aliens that I drew. Because to me, aliens are just easier to draw. So I just basically figured, why not fill my portfolio up with them? That's my alien collection. Oh, and it's gonna get bigger. And it's gonna get bigger. Just so you know. And I don't even think this is all of them. I don't even think this is all of them, to be honest.